Here's another abandoned find. Been here a while, this. Jaguar XK, I think it's an XK8. Bit of a rock box, really, these. It's been here a few years now, this. Supercharged as well. Wow. Love the bonnet louvers. Nice looking cars, but typical Jag, rusty as hell. Nice wheels. Look at the size of those calipers. Massive. I'm not sure if it's open. No, it's locked. Oh, it's a soft top as well. It's a shame, isn't it? Big massive exhaust on it. Yeah, it looks like the XKR badge has come off. Be lovely for the summer. Oh, it's open. Dear. Oh boy. I think Miley's going to be digital, so crying shame. Oh, was that the handbrake? Oh, right. Okay, just a short one. Just take some pictures now. Thanks.